So how does Property Revolution's referral program work? A lot of our business comes from referrals from people who have seen our work or maybe worked with us in the past and know someone who might benefit from our services. We really like to say thank you to the people who send business our way. And so the way this works is if you send someone to us and you let us know that they were a referral, either by calling in or through our website, we'd like to send you a check for $150. And the way that we track that is if you call in and say, hey, I know so-and-so who's interested in a roof, siding, deck, or fence project. If you let us know ahead of time, we can make sure that we track that information. Or the easiest way for us to follow up with that is if you go to our website, you go to the home page, and up at the top on the menu, you'll see About Us. Click down there, and it'll say Referral Program. If you go to that page, there's a spot where you can enter your information and your friend's information and the type of project they're interested in. And if we follow up with them and we get the full job, whether it's a full roof replacement, a deck, fence, or siding project, we'll send you a check for $150. Referrals are really helpful for our business and we really appreciate them, and so this is something we put together to say thank you to the people who are sending us so much business anyway. And so if you could let us know if you're sending us a referral, like I said, either with a phone call or through that page on our website, we can make sure that we send you that thank you. Thanks so much.